These are my new tires for my Mustang. I decided to go big or go home. And I think I fucked up. I need to go home. I read an article once and it said the king of the block and the manliest person in the neighborhood, winner of all winners, is the guy that has tires that start with a 3. And naturally, I wanted that to be me. So for my Mustang, I have ordered 315s, 35s for my new 18-inch rims. And man, look at these guys. Woo! Those are some meats right there, right? But I don't think they're gonna fit on the car. So I got the rims today, so I'm gonna mount one of the rims and see what that looks like and see if I can kind of estimate if these will fit. The Mach1 has quad shocks, and I read that you can remove those to fit wider wheels. So at a certain point, if all goes wrong, I'll need to either figure out if I'm going to roll the fenders, which I've never done, and it sounds terrible, or bite the bullet and contact Summit and take these guys back and get maybe some 305s. I don't want to go below 3 because I already got 295s on my Camaro. I want 3s! Let's go. The adventure continues. I texted the guy that I bought the car from and I asked him if he had that thing, and he said that it was in the driver's side door panel. I had already removed the driver's side door panel, but I remember picking up a piece of metal that looked like a socket and I put it on a random piece in my garage and I actually found it. So we're back in business. I see the quad shocks. I don't think you really need them. I'll research it before I just let them go. But for now, let's mount the tire. It looks like it's gonna fit. But I talked to the guy at my tire place and he says to bring it down and he'll slap it on and check it out. So let's go for a ride. Usually I don't like passengers, but this guy's good. He's cool. He's a big boy. He doesn't say much about my driving, so he can come along for the ride. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it or subscribe. Thanks, bye.